not a angry black man. I'm a conscious black man. And I'm working on this song called Angry Nigga. And I named it Angry Nigga because that's what they tend to call us when we conscious now. Oh, you must be angry. It's a trip, man. But I want to give you this verse and let me know what you think about it. I never had a dime until I broke it off a dub. Living in the Delta, forced to get it out the mud. OG's love was a 60 and a 40 split, kicking in the dough as a YG taking shit. Didn't know the consequence, living like a rapper pit. Couldn't feel the jailhouse unless I found my way out. Mama tried to take us there, but daddy brought us back down. Can't blame them now, this is how they made our profile. Living in the South, this is how the shit go down. Niggas getting hung once they cross the Mississippi. Dying with their hands up, heart still innocent. Could have been the next black senator, they fearing us. Poison in the mind of our youth, it's got us killing us. Label me another angry nigga cause I'm fed up. Still wearing blue in the hood that they gave us. White man hanging from the wall, they call him savior. How in the hell you gonna tell me this ain't slavery? Knees getting swollen cause I'm walking on this pavement. Trying to reach the truth, God help me save my babies. Hustling with my hands, sitting still to drive me crazy. Came up on the block with getting money was amazing. Put it in some jewelry and cars just to save it. Project baby going next door to bar shit. It's all in the love, cause they'll do the same shit.